Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust a new note starting setting and what it does on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So let's now open Notes and let's create a new one. So as you can see, I'm going to start the note with a topic, with the title, and here is going to be the note itself. Oh, sorry, I'm just not able to write today. Okay, so let's click Done and save it. And now let's go to the settings, swipe down and go to the notes. Then swipe down again, and here new note starts with, you have in the viewing section this option, so click into, and as you can see here, you can select where you would like to start the new note. So the title, the heading, the subheading, or the body. So let's now select heading and see what it changes. So I'm going to delete this one and create a new one. So now as you can see, we can add a topic and then write the note. So as you can see, this nothing really changes. You're still getting in the title from the first and then in the body of the note. So let's go back to the settings and now select, for example, subheading. As you can see, you're still starting with the title. As you can see, the same as two messages before, but this really actually makes a difference, because if you are going to edit the note here, you can add the heading, the subheading, the title, and the body of the note. So but just by starting a note, the biggest difference is going to be between these three and the one right here, the body. So now let's select the body and create a new note. So now as you can see, you are going to start the new note in the body section, as you can see. So now if I'm going to quick return and then write something, as you can see, we are still in a body. We are not getting the title right here. We are just going only with the body. So like on this note right here, with this section, not with this, but with this. As you can see, we do not have anything bolded on the top of the note. So this is it. This is how you can change the settings. So the new note starts with, as you can see, you can select between these four settings, and once you have a tick next to it, it means that it has changed. So this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.